નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now the continued our chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas in exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, the question number 3, use the figure to name. This means here given a one figure and answer in the 4 questions. So here the first of all our first question, line containing point E. It means point E वाले जितनी भी लाइन है उसके हमें नाम देने. So we will write AE. This one is for the one line. BE, DE, FE. आप सभी आंसर लिख सकते हो, but we will write only for the one answer. It means my in this question answer is AE. AE. This one is also for the right containing BE, DE, EF. So all the answer is right, but we will write only for the one answer. It means AE. Understand? Same for the next question is the line passing through A. It means आपको ऐसी लाइन फाइंड करनी है जो A में से पास हो. So same for the AE. In this question answer is AE. AE passing through A. DE passing through A. BA passing through A. So in this question answer for AE passing through A point. DE passing through A point. DE passing through A point. But we will write only for the one answer. You can write more answers. Understand? Same for the third question. Line O, which O lines? Line on which O lies? So here is the line. So how many O is here? So in this one CO, BO, OC. So we will write only for the one answer. This means in this question answer, my answer is OC. You will write BO. This one is also for the right answer. CO. This one is also for the right answer. Why? Because this one is line on O lies. Clear? Then after the two pair of intersecting lines. This means write down the two intersecting lines in this question. So first of all, dear students, here AE. This one is my full line. A to E. In this lines, which lines are intersect? This one is and this one is. So first of all, we will write only this portion. Suppose A to D. A to D, it means CO lines are intersect. So my first pair AD CO. This one is intersecting line. AD intersects to CO. And then after the my second, suppose full line, this means AE here to here, A to E here. So AE in this line is intersect to AF. So AE and EF. So AE and EF, AE and EF. This two is intersecting line, intersect at that point. Same for the AD and CE, AD and CO is intersect at that point in the B. So this two is the intersecting lines pair. Understand? So question number 3. Okay. Now to our next question. In the question number 4, how many lines can pass through? First, one given point. Second, two given point. If any question is given only for one point, then in one point, how many lines are passing through one point? Suppose this one is my one point. In this point, how many lines passing? Many lines are passing. Suppose this one is line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this. It means infinite. Infinite line passing through only a one given point. Many lines are passing through only one given point. Understand? Next, two given points. Suppose if any questions is given only two given points. So this one is my 2 points. In this 2 point, how many lines pass into these 2 points? So only this one is pass. So only one line passing through this point. So in this question answer is 1 and in this question answer is infinite. If given at 2 points, it means passing through only a one line. आप एक ही लाइन पास कर सकते हो और कोई पास करने की ट्राई करना नहीं होगा. It means if any two given point, it means passing through only one line, one given point passing through infinite lines. Understand this question answer? Clear? Okay. Question number 5 means our next question. Draw a rough figure. पॉइंट P lies on AB. इट मीन्स कोई एक AB लाइन है, पॉइंट P on, उसके ऊपर क्या है? P. So first of all we are draw one line and give the name. Here is A and here is B. Clear? Now AB is done. P lines on AB. This means this one is point P. So AB, P. Understand? So this one is our rough quest, first question's rough quest. Done? Then after the next one, XY and PQ intersect at M. This means two lines. So draw. Here is my X and here is my Y. Here is P and this one is Q. Suppose. So XY, this one is my first line. PQ, this one is my second line. Intersect. Intersect is means in this point intersect this point. Intersect at M. So this one is M. So second question figure in this steps. XY, PQ intersect at M. Understand? Then after OP and OQ meet at O. It means two lines are midpoint is same. So how to draw? So first of all draw one line. Here is. Suppose here is P and here is O. And next line is start to here. Suppose here is Q. Right? So this one is OP, this one is OQ, midpoint. Midpoint is means O. So OP and OQ meet, this means intersect point. Intersect point is means O. So my third question's figure is in this steps. Clear? Then after the fourth questions, line L contains E and F but not D. So first of all draw one line. So this one is my line L. In this lines contain E and F. It means in this lines 2 points understand. So which points? First of all E and F but not on D. It means D is not on this lines. So you write the anyone, suppose it is D. So it means E and F is on line L but D is not on a line L. Understand? One more times. E and F is lies on L line but D is not on L. D line L और के ऊपर नहीं है, E और F ये दोनों पॉइंट लाइन L के ऊपर है. So this one is my fourth question figure. So understand how to solve these types of the questions. Clear? Now to the next one.
Thank you for joining us.